In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add background video in Card. If you're building a simple one-page site in Card and want a bit more visual impact, a background video can instantly make your page feel dynamic and polished. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where to click and what to expect as you set it up, along with a few helpful tips so your video looks great and loads quickly. Start by heading to the Card website and opening your dashboard. If you're prompted, sign in, then you'll see your list of sites. Click the project you want to edit to open it in the builder. Once the editor loads, click on the page canvas itself, either on an empty area of the page or directly on the background. This tells Card you want to adjust the overall page settings, not a specific element like text or a button. On the right side, locate the Appearance panel. This is where Card centralizes visual controls for your page. Within Appearance, look for the Background section and open the dropdown. You'll see several background types. Choose Video. This switches your background mode from a static option like a color or image to a video background. Now click Upload to add your file. A quick heads up. Uploading a video background is a Card Pro feature, so make sure you're on a Pro plan to proceed. If you are, select a video from your computer and let it upload. While it processes, here are a few tips to get the best results. Keep your video short, subtle, and loop friendly. Clips around 10 to 20 seconds usually work best. Aim for a lightweight file to help your page load quickly. Compressing the video beforehand can make a noticeable difference. A common format like MP4 with H.264 encoding is widely supported. Choose footage with minimal rapid motion to reduce visual distraction behind your content. And consider how the video will crop on different screen sizes. Centered subjects and wide compositions tend to scale more gracefully. Once the upload finishes, the video will appear behind your content in the editor. Take a moment to scan your page. Make sure text remains readable. If needed, you can adjust text colors or add subtle overlays in your design so everything stays legible over motion. Use the built-in preview to see how it looks on desktop and mobile views. If anything feels too busy, try a calmer clip or a darker video to improve contrast. That's it. You've added a background video in Card using the Appearance panel and the background dropdown. Keep your clip optimized, tasteful, and balanced with your content, and your site will feel both professional and fast.